Welcome to Trade Confident. Well, got some fun videos to go over today. Bitcoin could be breaking out here, faking out a lot of people trying to go short, and we could actually start seeing the market move up here. Guys, December 1st, we just took another win this morning. I know it's like crazy how many wins we're doing, and we're kind of in a bear market cycle. But telling you guys, even in a bear market, we do very well. We just took our 87th for 87th win on Solana, and that was 7.71% profit on 50% of our trade, and I moved our stop loss down to break even. I will go over this video today, so I won't cover too much, but we're doing very well there. Ethereum, by the way, guys, is currently up 9.02% on this trade, and I'll give you guys a quick update here because I know I won't be doing Ethereum today, but all of us who got in down here at $4,000 flat, we are doing crazy in here. So let me just get close to 4,000. 4,000, our 50% is sitting at 18.40% in the profit. And I know a lot of you guys got there. I'm only going to cover this one because this is the one I cover on the YouTube channel. So great job, guys. Let's go over Bitcoin and see if we can predict these markets here. In the second half of the video, I'll show you guys how to get into our trading program so you guys can take all these trades so you don't have to miss another one. By the way, guys, the bundle pack for our indicators, our Black Friday sale, ends in 5 hours. You have 5 hours left at 12 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. All the prices are going to go up. So 5 hours left. Depending on when you watch this video, it might be less. Make sure you guys snag that. Let's get into this. So we're obviously paying very close attention to this descending resistance. I've been talking to this on my coaching calls with the clients I've been doing yesterday and the last few days. This is what we're watching. What we ended up doing is we ended up pushing up here once, and we started to move back down. Twice with a little bit of breakout, we could not do it, and we moved back down. Third time is where we're currently hitting. I'm going to tell you guys, from a technical perspective, if you watch this, this actually has a greater chance of moving up here than it does moving all the way back down. So if I were to give us two targets here to either come up to the structure high, which is where this usually breaks back up to, of about 61,175, we'll call it that, or coming back down to 53,400, this has a greater chance of moving up here, okay? Another reason why I say that, if you guys look at the price versus the money flow and the trend exhaustion down here, this has not yet reached into the top red section here. Now, when we get to that top red section, this is where we need to be looking for drops in the market because this is the number one, number two indicator to call drops. I've shown this to you guys so many times. I'm not going to spend a lot of time on this, but when you guys start seeing the trend exhaustion push to the top red section here, which is correlated to right here, price versus money flow, the flow of money in green here, push up to the top sections right around these areas. That's not where you want to buy. That's where you want to look to sell your long positions or set up your buy limits to actually get into the trade as the market goes back down. And we were able to call this drop in here with these two indicators. When we pushed up here, we did not buy in. We actually waited to have it move back down. Obviously, you guys can see that. We are patient on this channel. That's why we haven't lost any trades. Our indicators are the best at calling drops and pops in the market. I've coded indicators for a living for TradingView. These are amazing. Okay. The point of saying that is that what we're currently seeing right now is I believe if we start pushing up to the top sections here, we're going to see a couple things. Now, you guys need to listen to me carefully. These indicators are 75 to 80% accurate. Maybe we could push sometimes to about 85% because they literally have called the last 9 drops on Dogecoin and the last 12 drops on Ethereum they have called the crashes. Watch the videos I did yesterday about that. Here's what I want to say though. There is a 10 to 15%, maybe we can say 20% time where they're not going to hold true because the market's going to get emotional, okay? Here's what you need to watch for today because this could actually impact the entire market. What a lot of people are doing right now because we're pushing up to this top section here and a lot of people are looking to short this because we're at the descending resistance here is all the short trades that are being placed right now on this green candle up looking for this move back down. These guys, if the market starts going up and starts breaking these resistances, this is most likely where their stop losses are for these short trades, okay? Because they have stop losses here, what can happen is if this comes back up here, hits their stop losses, they can sell out of their short or buy back their short, pretty much. And then you guys will actually end up seeing the market go up further here if we start seeing a pump because short trades are going to switch their trades from short to long. We also have what's called buy stop orders here, which trades the breakout above candles. And we also have people going long. So almost every single party that could possibly be a party in trading can sometimes go long here and actually push this up very, very fast. This could push us into a bull run here in the month of December where we could be seeing possible targets up here for Bitcoin at around 66,440, which is the next greatest structure resistance. Let's watch that. If that happens, guys, we're going to have like 4 to 5 wins immediately trigger off here, and we are going to hit our goal for 90 for 90 wins here, probably within this week by Friday. And then we're going to try to go for 100 for 100. So let's go over the actual metrics now to give us an idea of what we're seeing for Bitcoin. This has been so much fun, guys. So thanks for just like coming along this journey with me. It's just been so much fun. All right, we're going to go over this. I'm going to show you guys how to get into our next trade setups, and I'll show you guys about the Black Friday sale that you guys have. It's going to be like 5 to 4 hours when you're watching this video. Let's look at this, the emotional index in here. This is showing us that we've pushed up into the neutral section. Now, why are we not still stuck in the anxiousness? Well, it's because we're actually moving back up and people are actually seeing, hey, we might have some hope again. So people aren't very greedy. They're not very anxious. We're in the middle. Okay, let's continue. What we're seeing here is we're seeing long trades stay pretty steady. Short trades are moving out, however. So been looking at this the last few days, and I'm like, if we can tell anything from this metric down here, it would be what are people doing on the blockchain level as far as showing us confidence of traders. This is showing me that short trades are moving out of the market. I think it's because multiple times here we've seen the opportunity to go down to the lower descending support line here, and we have not gone lower. We have continued up here. Okay, this could be a place where we break this and actually start pushing up here, and then we start creating new forms of a higher high. We have a low, a high, a higher low, and another higher high formation. So we want to watch that. Okay, let's keep moving down here. What I'm looking at here for risk of a long or short trade, it is still more favor, in my opinion, to get into long trades right now than short trades. I'll show you guys how to do that in a second. What you're looking at here is the well and institutional smart money. What we're seeing here is very interesting. You guys clearly saw, and this is what we've been doing on the channel as well, we've been buying the dip with the wells and institutions here. You guys are going to see them acquire long trades on this dip, and they pushed the market back up. That was right in this area. They had an incredible amount of long trades positioned here, and we saw this pump. We almost got down to break even on this little metric value here, and then we saw the pump up here. What we saw 2 days ago is a move to the downside, but then we're seeing this decrease very quickly. This shows lack of confidence in the market for short trades or long trades. This is showing indecision, and that's why we need to watch this. There's a reason. Look at what we're seeing right now. An incredible spot right now where we're either going to pump or we're either going to drop back down, guys. It is one of those crucial moments that we need to be watching. This will affect the rest of the market here. Watch this closely, okay? This is why we are not seeing any crazy bars right now. When we do see them like this and they're shorting the market, we want to look out and we want to look for the market to go down, okay? Because that's insane, and that's a good prediction. Even over here, pushing us into a bull market. Right now, we need to watch these levels very closely. Support resistance prices. The next place we could move up with the greatest structure of resistance is right around this area. Like, look at how many resistances are up here. It's right around 60,225, right around that area. 60,200. It's around this level here. It's this level over here. It's all these levels right here where we have an incredible amount of resistance. That is where the first level I told you guys about, and it's actually really close to the first buy limit. So we could be pushing up here, getting a little bit of a drop back down, and then we could be seeing the push up, and that's when we're going to win this Bitcoin trade that we're all in here. So watch this closely. A couple more here, and I'm going to give you guys some updates. So we're looking at this for the actual entries. So if you guys have entries here and you're pulling this out and you're saying, I want to enter into trades and hold for 5 to 10 years. Great, I totally understand that. This is going to give you guys great entries to hold here for the long run. So make sure you guys are watching that metric, okay? Exit points. We can see in here that this exit point here ended up giving us a great call, a prediction for a move back down for Bitcoin. What we're seeing here is this is pretty accurate. Now, we're not looking for this to call every single drop. What we're looking for, especially when we get these big red blocks over here, is we're looking for this market to possibly give us some more drops back down. So taking 50 to 25% out of the market when we see this is what we're really looking for here. So once we start heading back up here in Bitcoin and we start seeing these red bars form, I will be looking to exit those positions as well as with the trend exhaustion when we start pushing up here to look for an exit on this Bitcoin trade. Okay, that is the full update, guys, for the analysis. Now, I'm going to get into the second half of the video of how you guys can get in here and take our buys, and you don't have to miss another trade that we take because we've never lost them. And I'll also go over the Black Friday sale that's ending here. But watch this level here. This is a very crucial moment right now. If we start breaking up and bull pressure comes in here, we could definitely be heading up into this run here, and we could be starting to target this $66,000 level. If not, we start moving back down. I would be looking at this level down here, which is right around about 52,000 because this is correlated to the ascending support line that has been respected a few times here. So we could be seeing this one, I'm going to call this 2-3 touchdown here, which is right around this area of about $52,000. So 52 or 66, that's where we want to be watching. So here's how you actually get in here and make money, because that's the most important part of all this is, aren't we trading to actually make money? Yes. Okay. The pricing, guys, you guys are only going to be paying $49 a month for this. I am going to be upping the price of this, so make sure you guys do get in here and snag this. This is going up within the first quarter of 2021. So before or right on about April 1st. So anytime before then. It depends on, we're going to talk to the team about that. Let's get to the point. That's going to give you guys access to all the metrics over here, and it's going to give you guys, the main thing is access to the live trades. Every single one of our 87 wins that we've called out over here, guys, they have all been taken right from this page right here. It's like a candy shop. You guys choose whatever coin you want to trade. Obviously, we're talking about Bitcoin right now. So you guys want to click in here and you guys want to start getting these trades set up. Come in here and I'll show you how to do this. It's the same thing for all of our coins. So 8 a.m. Pacific Standard Time, what we're going to see is all of our metrics on our website are going to update. I have updated this buy limit as well, so make sure you guys are looking out for that because this is going to change to 12/1. So Merry Christmas, guys. We are in the Christmas season. It might have started for a lot of you after Thanksgiving because we put our tree up after Thanksgiving. But anyways, Merry Christmas, guys. So what we're going to do here is follow the instructions for each of these coins. If you guys have $1,000 or take whatever trade allotment you want for this, for any of the cryptos you trade with me, doesn't matter. Take the amount and split it into 4 equal portions. If you have $1,000, that's $250 each. You're going to put $250 at each of these buy limits. Buy limit 1, 2, 3, and 4. This is so stinking simple. Once your first buy limit is hit, you're going to set a sell limit for 100% at the green line. Right now, it's 46,900. Once your first buy limit is hit, do not move any of the other buy limits. Only if you guys come in here, the price moves up and the first buy limit hasn't been hit, check the next day because I'm most likely going to move this buy limit up so we can get in faster. Update that buy limit along with the other ones if they've updated and keep them where they're at once the first buy limit gets hit, and you guys will just follow the trade up to the sell limit. Or the second part, which is most important, make sure you guys are following me in the Telegram channel where I am calling exits, and I will be using the indicators just as I did this morning to call out this exit here where we see the price versus the well money flow and the trend exhaustion high looking for a pullback on SOL. So make sure you guys are signing into your Telegram channel personally on your phone or your computer first, and then you want to sign up into the Telegram channel here, which will give you guys a hot link over here to join. Okay, let's end this video here, guys. The sale, I'm going to update this. So this is currently saying 24. I'm going to update it this morning. This literally has 5 hours left. That's all you guys have because it's, let me give you an exact countdown. But based off the time I publish, this will probably be right around 7 o'clock. I'm going to up the prices at 12 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. So that is exactly 5 hours that you guys have to get this. The bundle pack will not be ever lower than this price again. So you want to snag this. At minimum, you guys need to get the price versus the well money flow, the trend exhaustion, and the trend dashboard. I will never take these off my chart. These are the most powerful indicators that I've ever used, and we are not losing trades over here, and we're calling drops with incredible accuracy. Like I said, watch the video. We called the last 12 drops on Ethereum, the last 9 drops on Dogecoin. If you guys watched that video yesterday with these indicators, crazy. So I'm going to make this easy. If you guys want the individual indicators, you'll get 58 to 60% off, and you guys can use the coupon code SAVEMONEY at checkout. I would suggest you guys come over here and get the bundle pack because this is going to give you 83% off all of our indicators, and you guys will actually get 6 more indicators on top of these 3. So you guys get a total of 9 here. And yes, this is only 5 hours left on this, and I will be upping the price. Literally, don't miss this, guys. If you want to come over here and trade with us, you don't want to not have these indicators, okay? It's going to go up $50 literally in 5 hours. So currently, with the bundle pack discount, it's an extra $50 off. I'm going to be raising it back to the price where it was, so it's going to be increasing $50 from the discounted price. So make sure you guys don't miss that. All right, that's all I'm going to do. I'm not going to turn into a big sales video. You guys know what you need to do. Watch this level here. If we break up to the upside, we could be hitting us and pushing us into a bull run, which is going to push us. A lot of these trades, guys, are going to start triggering off. We'll probably hit 90 for 90 wins this week if we start seeing a bull run up. All right, guys. God bless you guys so much. Have an amazing amazing day. Get the indicators set up before those go up in price. Get the membership set up before that goes up in price. And make sure you guys, here's how you make money. You need to set up your buy limits. Like we've got people over here doing crazy like $20,000 with our 2 indicators on cryptos and stocks. This guy's gone 25 for 25 wins on our channel, and he's using, no leverage. Good job, man. And he's still up 50% in his portfolio without using leverage. This guy down over here has done almost $7,000 with these indicators. You guys don't want to miss out on these indicators. I don't like coming out and being FOMO. I'm not the FOMO guy. I'm just saying I know when a good deal is here, because I may drop this down one more time for Christmas, maybe a week during Christmas, but that's it. So if you guys want to get this, you're not going to miss out in the future, because I'm not going to drop it ever lower than this again. You guys can mark my words on that. I will not drop it lower. If anything, I'm going to up the overall bundle pack as the months continue, because I know it's worth far more than this. So make sure you guys snag that. I'll see you in the next video. God bless you guys. Everything you need is in the description. Buy limits set up so you guys can get into these trades. God bless you guys. We'll see you in the next video. Bye.